Most Flybridge motor yachts in the 60-foot class settle for evolutionary updates. The Sunseeker Manhattan 68 just went through a full redesign, built by Sunseeker in Poole, England. The Manhattan 68 makes its next-generation debut for 2025, a full redesign of the Flybridge Flagship unveiled as a world premiere at Boat Düsseldorf. Power comes from twin MAN V8 diesels offered in 1,000 or 1,200 horsepower configurations, turning shaft drives, top end, 32 knots. At a 10-knot cruise, range extends to 550 nautical miles on just over 1,000 gallons of fuel. 69 feet 7 inches overall, 17 feet 3 inches of beam, 5 feet 4 inches draft. A refreshed superstructure profile carries a sleeker, more dynamic silhouette from foredeck to transom. The Flybridge is entirely new, a larger, more versatile seating arrangement around an ergonomic console. The aft cockpit has been redesigned with a built-in privacy screen for genuine seclusion at anchor. Exterior upholstery is new for this generation in a contemporary palette, and the interior layout is configurable. 3 or 4 cabins, tailored to how the owner actually lives aboard. 4 cabins as standard, sleeping up to 8 guests and 2 crew, with a full beam owner's suite and ensuite heads throughout. Design Unlimited built flexibility into every layout option, from a private staircase to the owner's cabin to an opposing seating group in the main saloon. Bottom line, this is Sunseeker refining a proven Flybridge platform into its most livable version yet. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.